I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy text from a photo on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a picture of something and then open that image in your Photos app. I have this picture of a mobile dock that I purchased, and I want to copy the name of this mobile dock into Google just so I can search more about it. So in order to copy a text, when we have something like this, all you have to do is take your finger and tap and hold on where the text is on the image. It will automatically make a selection of some of the texts, maybe all of it. And if it doesn't select all of it, you can grab the little blue circle at the end of this text here and drag it along to select as much of the text as you like. Now you can click copy if you'd like, and that will remove the options here for you, and it will be on your clipboard. You can take that over to Google and paste it in there and search. If you want other options, again, you can just tap on this selection once. You can now click look up. You can tap to the right here and have it translate if it's in a different language. You can share it, or you can search the web. And look up is going to just show you on the Apple device, what its suggestions are. You can potentially look it up, or what I like to do is just click search web, and then it will open on your default browser. So now you know how to copy text from an image on your iPhone.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.